Exodus 12 and verse 13. And the blood shall be to you, speaking of the Passover, for a token upon the houses where ye are. And when I see the blood, I will pass over you, and the plague shall not be upon you to destroy you when I smite the land of Egypt. You know, the benefits of this covenant is a great thing. I mean, one of the benefits of this covenant is that you are a child of God. God treats you as His children. You are sons of God. You are daughters of God. And He treats you like a child, and He protects you and keeps you safe. As a parent, what would you do to keep your children safe? Would you do anything in your power? It was a hard lesson I had to learn when my daughter went off to college, because as a father, I could physically, I could protect her and keep her safe when she lived at home. Well, when she moved away to college, that was tough because I came to a point where I said, God, it's now out of my control. I can't take care of her physically as a father anymore. And I'm turning her over to your care to protect her and to keep her safe. So the benefit of this covenant is, God comes along and He says, look, when I see the blood on that person's heart, on the doorpost of that person's door, I'm not going to allow the destroyer to come in and harm you. Well, what destroyer? Well, there are many destroyers today riding around through the town of wherever you live, a madman, an insane man, a murderer, a rapist, a killer, And symbolically, if you have entered into that covenant, the blood is on the doorpost of your door, God doesn't allow the plague to come to you. God doesn't allow these things to occur. He will protect you. He will keep you safe. There's incredible benefits of entering into this covenant with God. And as we near the end time, as things get, things are not that bad right now. I mean, you've got a job, your belly's full, and you think you're happy and all that stuff. But we haven't really entered into the hard times called the Great Tribulation. It's going to get scary when that time occurs. And you're really going to realize the importance of having entered into this agreement, this covenant with God when that time comes.